in technology. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do password vulnerability check. Mind you, while you are doing this, I am not doing this for what? For illicit purpose. I am using my computer and I am training you for my for my system directly. I'm not using anyone system to do this, and this is not for illicit purpose. If you actually caught doing this for a bad purpose, you will actually be held responsible for your actions, and you don't know me. Thank you. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually use the what is it called, the web pass view, to view a password of all your windows. There's a lot of tools that you can actually use to do this. There's one you can actually use to download Messenger, to check your Messenger vulnerability, to check other pass views that has to do with your operating systems and all that. But this one is for password vulnerability check. These tools can also be used to recover your password in case you actually forget your password on your system and you actually want to recover it back. You can actually use this video to actually recover back your password. Now, so many people do not know that they actually saving passwords. They don't know that they are saving passwords. Once they are maybe you are logging in, you just click on yes, save my password. Now, what actually happened is that what you did that you don't know, that when you actually click that, you actually tell Google Chrome to keep your password in the Google Manager feed where it can be found. Now, you just do me a favor. When you are with your phone or any other gadget, maybe your computer system, you just go into into this is three coins here. Then you click on the password manager. Can you see? Now your password is actually saved on this Google password manager. Try and click on it and see that you will see the password logins of all the information that you have actually clicked or logins. Even if you actually open your backend details, there will be information about that password in that thing. Now what you don't know is that when Anaka is actually exploiting using the metasploit, there's a way you can actually get this password easily from your system. Once you actually active, now you'll be able to actually get your information through this means. Now how will you know that you're actually vulnerable to attack? Now the first thing you need to do is at least check your vulnerability test. Mostly do it on your system, and you actually will be able to do it. You can actually use other system for your mobile. In case you are using your mobile, you can actually just go into your three cockles like I said earlier on. Click on password and autofill, then click on Google Password Manager. You will see that the list of your safe password. Try and click on it and remove everything. That's how you can actually save yourself from this kind of hacks that can actually eat your information. Now, when you are trying to do this, mind you, please, I am not doing this for anything bad. I just want to do it for training purposes, for people to actually learn from what I'm actually doing. So when you actually trying to check this system, these tools, you can get it in nicesoft.com. When I said Nicesoft, I didn't mean Nairasoft. I mean Nasoft. Can you see Nasoft.net? Now, once you actually click on it, then you actually get the information about the password tools and all. Now, I've downloaded these tools before. All you need to do is once you download it, extract the file, then click on the pass view. Once you click on it, it will bring out it will give out the password. Now, mind you, do not hack me. I warn you, if you actually hack me, you're actually only inviting me to actually help you to get your password. Then I'll get it for free. Now, mind you, if you actually were joining this for the first time, kindly endeavor to click on your click on your like button on this video, then try to subscribe to actually view my next video. If you are like me to actually attend to you or any matters, you can actually use the comment button below. I'll be glad to actually reply. Thank you and God bless. Moving to the next.